In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect to another website in ClickFunnels 2.0. We'll walk through how to add a button to your funnel page that sends visitors to any website you choose, using a simple redirect. This is really useful if you want to send people to an external checkout, a membership site, a booking calendar, or even another funnel. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Funnels. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to find the specific funnel where you want to set up this redirect. Once you've found it, click on that funnel to open it. When the funnel opens, you'll be taken to the funnel editor view. In the center of the screen, you'll see all the pages that belong to this funnel. Hover your mouse over the page where you want to add the redirect. As you hover, an edit button will appear on that page. Click Edit to open the page editor. Inside the page editor, choose the section where you want your redirect button to appear. Move your cursor over that area until you see an option that says Add Element. Click on Add Element. A panel or drawer will slide open, usually on the right-hand side of the screen. In that panel, look at the left side and click on the category labeled Form. From the list of elements that appears, select Button. This will add a new button to the section you selected. Now click on the new button you just added. When you do, the settings drawer for that button will open again on the right side. Here is where you customize everything. Start by changing the button text to something clear, like Go to Site, so visitors know they're going somewhere else. Next, scroll through the button settings until you find the option for what happens on click or button action. Click the drop-down menu beneath this. You'll see several options, such as going to a custom URL, using a custom action link, or sending people to internal pages like a store or blog homepage. For this tutorial, choose the option for a custom URL. After selecting that, another field will appear. In that field, type the full destination URL, including the HTTPS part, to avoid any redirect issues. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This will make sure your new redirect button is active on that page.